free. Hello, guys. Welcome. We are live. How's everybody doing? Jomo is here as well. So we're gonna discuss the recent crash in crypto. What we think is gonna happen soon. Many moon boys expect they will call bottoms. They already start calling bottom. Hey, they've been calling bottom since October 6th. They are calling bottom. So now for sure they're gonna call more bottom. We are here to keep everybody level-headed, to protect yourself, to protect your mental capital, and to make sure you're not emotional and dumb as wood. And yeah, man, how's it going, Jomo?
Man, CM, good to be here on a live session with our dear viewers. Hopefully, everyone is doing great wherever they are. Man, as promised, right? We're back. Even when things are going down the dumpster, right? We are here to make sure that our viewers, understand how to work through this market, man. The market is going down. We have been waiting for it, hunting for this breakdown for weeks, man. Weeks. It took too long until it broke down, but eventually it's breaking down. And it's breaking down with horror, man, because it came alongside with a huge dump in metals, silver going down like 30%, in a day, maybe even more. Gold 15% in a day. All metals imploded. So there's heightened fear during this, weekend, CM, until the markets open again. And it's leaking into Bitcoin and crypto. And look, this was to be expected, and we have been discussing this in our channels for multiple weeks. What do we have here? Someone is saying hi. What's up, Mr. Mikael? CM, Steve is ZBCN is still his number one play, man. We're going to talk about all these holders and more today. But the one thing, that we need to make sure people understand, I made a video about this not too long ago, right? People are asking me, CM, all the time, when are we going to enter into a bear market? They're asking, CM. And I told them, Bitcoin is not entering into a bear market, CM. It's already in it. And it has been confirmed in it since we broke below the 50-week moving average. Let's see how long ago. Roughly, 2 months ago. Roughly 2 months ago. We're already 2 months in a bear market, CM, and people are still waiting, kind of chewing their fingernails instead of action. Pure CM, it's all about execution. It's not about why is it happening? People are too caught off. Why is this happening, CM? Why is this happening? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter why it's happening. It's happening. Are you executing? Did you get out here? Did you get out here while CM and we told everyone that we're selling all our long-term holding Bitcoins over here, all our members and here on live. Why are you selling here when we told you that this is entering into a bear market? And are you shorting the F out of the market right now in the past few days? That's all that you need to be considering and asking yourself. If not, then you need to improve. You need to level up. What do you think, CM?
Yeah, man, this market is officially cooked. The only way to profit is going short. Guys, if you have any questions regarding shorting, regarding coins you want us to cover, let us know now. We're gonna keep it nice and short episode. I'm just gonna show you, man. This is a very bearish market. Okay, I will show you what I'm talking about. The S&P is gonna, the S&P is still in the rising wedge. And look, what Bitcoin is already at wrecked city, and the S&P didn't even dump yet. The crypto bros, they have no idea what is coming, and it can happen next week. You can get a major sell-off in the financial markets, in the S&P and the NASDAQ. This looks horrific to me. You have NASDAQ as well with a double top here, like the horns of the devil are forming here, and it's going to get smashed, man. Because if they can't break out, you know that they're gonna break down. Okay, that's a fake out breakout. with a head fake, with a double top, after a very long distribution. Okay, it looks like it's forming a distribution phase on the Nasdaq, on the S&P, on all major indices, and Bitcoin. Oh, little poopy Bitcoin. Let me show you the PP Bitcoin. The PP is doing a PP. Why it's doing a PP? I'll tell you why. It broke from a bear flag and it's in a bear market. That's everything you need to know. Bitcoin now is in a bear market. The dominant trend is bearish. The only way to make money is when you trade or invest in markets is to follow the dominant trend. The dominant trend is down. The shorts will make the most amount of money till the bear market will be over. You have amazing short opportunities here in the last quarter of last year, and you have now, we believe, another amazing short opportunities coming and are now presenting themselves. And also, you should have been short already like 2 weeks ago on the rejection from the flag here on the top. But again, even if you're late to the party, you can still nail down some amazing profit on shorts.
Yes.
But you need to know what you're doing, okay? People gotta understand, people asked me yesterday, oh, is it too late to short? Yeah, it is. Generally speaking, it is a bit late. But if you know what you're doing, if you enter in a precise shorts, like a surgical shorts, and put in, let's say, very tight stop loss to protect yourself, you can nail it. You can do that, We're not Jesus, A smart person that know how to execute trades can make profits on shorts even if he is late. Obviously, you need to take notes because the short triggered already 2 weeks ago, and you had like two days ago, you had an add-on trigger. The add-on trigger is when you escalate your position because the market tells you, hey, you are right. You are right, my friend, add more. That's what we do. Okay, we add into the confidence we get from the market. The market and a trader, they're always in a dialogue, okay? That's the difference between traders and hodlers. Hodlers, they talking to themselves. They're not talking to the market. They are complete morons, baboon. We talk to the market. The market talk to us. We listen to the market. That's the difference. And yeah, we're gonna show you many stuff. Let's see what's going on here. You guys been dead right on your calls. Holy shit. Yeah, man. Cheers, man. Good morning, good evening. S&P is going down on open tomorrow, especially by any Bitcoin mining stocks. Oh yeah. By the way, Jumbo, let me show you some stuff, guys. Okay, do us a favor, smash the like, subscribe. Just want to show you. Look, there is a good chance Bitcoin will bounce from here. Again, guys, you are now on a major level, okay? This is a major level here. As you can see here, this is the April low. Probably there is a lot of buyers here. I'm assuming there are buyers, there are bids here, for like, I don't know, exchanges, institutions, some dumb morons, retail, that looking to buy the dip. But again, you might get a bounce, but in my opinion, Bitcoin is fucked because the timing, if the S&P crash tomorrow, I don't think the bounce will happen here. It can go lower and be more oversold, and then maybe when the S&P
and then retest it from the low.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. This thing, Jomo, no one is talking about it, but this thing can be just what we are here. We could be here, man. We could be here.
Definitely. Definitely. Bro, you know the thing that people are not discussing. I didn't see it too much. All the Tommy Lees, all the Michael Saylors, all these BSs, clowns, they're all in the red. They are all in the red. Now, again, we don't know the future. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. We only work with probabilities. We work with execution, and we do that over and over consistently. But I do know one thing, Siam. We talked about that major support. Yes, it's there. We understand it. It's there. But what we don't see? Yeah, exactly. The Rajat dude. I don't know who is that, the influencer, right? You know what we don't see? We don't see the amount of institutions that are ready to dump before they're getting liquidated, all right? Or adding to their shorts in order to hedge their longs, right? We don't know all that because we don't see it. You don't know all those actions, right? You only see price levels going down. So, support levels, as big as they are, as you said, from April, whatever, right? It can get smashed. Now, if it gets smashed, CM, man, that is a very, very bad sign. And you can see how weak it is right now on the MSTR chart, for example. People have been running from MSTR for months now, and we've been saying actually that MSTR is a leading indicator to where Bitcoin can go, and it is going down. And the thing is that, and this is important to understand, CM, okay, this is important to understand, the fear and it can just like here, right? Initially, I anticipated that we're going to get a bit more strength, but the weakness, CM, the weakness of Bitcoin, this is pure weakness. What happened in the past few weeks, while the dollar index, right, was going down, while all the metals, gold and silver, were going up, amazing, like huge moves, Bitcoin was not doing anything. This is pure weakness. And this dump, man, it can just continue just because of this weakness. Now, again, we don't know we can't anticipate exactly what's about to happen. But I'm just saying the weakness in Bitcoin is just astonishing. It's more weak than I thought it will be at this point, which is actually playing, better for what we do because we're shorting the market, right? But again, if people are waiting to scale out at these levels, they need to be careful, man. You know how hodlers think. They're like, if it goes below the low of the last, 73, whatever, then I will think about selling. But it can just flash crash from there. Mr. Andre is saying, good morning from Connecticut. Let's short these coins. Let's go. That's good. By the way, guys, ask any questions you like about shorting, how to do it, what's all about. A lot of people don't know how to short. That's the problem that they have. They don't understand, like, when shorting happens, it's when you coined it, it's like taking candy out of a child. Because not a lot of people are trying to utilize it. They don't. It's like, oh, but I'm long or I'm holding. That's it. Where is the shorting can be as lucrative as longing. CM, you've been posting amazing gains on your Twitter account just in the past few days. When things break down, they break down. And we invite people, man, to come and join us in this party before it's too late. I've been getting, and I know that you the same, we've been getting, CM, a lot of people to our elite VIP now after they lost 6 figures and more, watching us in disbelief for a year. Some people are watching us in disbelief for a year, not signing up to what we do just because they were trying to do it their own way instead of signing up then. Now they're coming after losing 6 figures and more. They want a savior. It's okay. We're here to save people. That's what we do for a living. But for you guys that are watching, don't wait another 8 months. Don't wait another 6 months until you are deeper in the hole. Stop digging the hole and come join a winning team, which is CM and I. What do you think, CM?
Yeah, this is a message to everybody out there. Look, if you're holding, let's say you have 30,000 in crypto or 50,000 in crypto now, and you are shitting your pants now, and you are all in on your stupid coins, I get you, man. I get you. You've been scammed by the Moon Boys, and you really believe the narrative and all the rubbish. But anyway, it's not too late yet. It's not too late, really. We invite you, join our elite VIP, book a call with us today. Okay, we're gonna talk with you on the phone. Okay, this is the only service in crypto that you're gonna get 2 pro traders talking with you on the phone, analyzing your situation and coming up with the best strategy to make life better for you financially. Book a call with us, man. If you're serious, doesn't matter if you have 20, 30, 50, 100, it's capital, it's liquidity. You don't want to see it washed away, man. In a bear market, in a crypto bear market, coins drop 90% for a few months, and then they consolidate, and then they drop another 90%. And then they consolidate again, and they drop another 90%. If you don't believe me, go check the charts. They drop 99.9% from their highs through the entire bear market, okay? It doesn't matter if it's KAS or ZBCN or XRP. They are all filthy scams in a bear market, okay? In a Bitcoin bear market. In a Bitcoin bull market, you gotta watch the charts and buy your favorite coins, and then you will make it. Easy peasy. But in a bear, first rule in a bear market, risk management, protect your capital at all costs. You are under attack, okay? That's people don't understand. Yeah. People think, oh, it's a bear market, it's gonna go away, and then I'm gonna be rich again. Bollocks. This is bollocks, man. On a bear market, your portfolio is under attack. They attacking you, exchanges, whales, short sellers. It's just like going on to swim in South Africa, surrounded by great white sharks. You just going to swim there, and you think, oh, I'm gonna survive. These sharks are very nice. No, my friend. They want your meat. They want your meat, and you need to be first of all, you need to be awakened to the situation, because honestly, Jomo, all these people, man, out there that we talk to in YouTube, they have no idea. They have no idea what is a bear market. They never experienced a bear market, okay? They have no idea of anything. What is a bearish market that me and you saw in 2022 and 2018, bloodbaths. They have no idea, you know? And we are the only ones. We are the crypto saviors. We need to change the title of the video of the YouTube to the crypto saviors, the crypto messiahs, you know, the Muhammad. We are the Muhammads, okay? Man, no one gives you this kind of service. We take people hand in hand to a better future. We flip their losing account to a winning account. And by the next bull market, these people are going to, and you see, you know, all the with the Lambos, you know, in a bull market, these are the VIPs and the elite VIPs. These people are gonna do it, okay? These people are gonna flip Lambos, while regular hodlers gonna flip burgers in McDonald's, man. That's what they're gonna do, man.
For sure, man. CM Caesar is asking, Xiao, he's saying, do you think the bear market rally may happen around 73 to 63,000? You go.
I'm on it. Okay. Look, I told you, man, there is a good chance for a bounce from the 73, like you said, from the 63. Absolutely. I'll tell you what I'm watching. You know, the next major level for Bitcoin is, in my opinion, is the 200-week MA, man. It looks like it's heading there. And as you can see, we just broke below the 100-week MA, which was legendary. It held the bear flag perfectly. You can see it triggered the breakdown of the 100-week. Sorry. And now it looks like it's heading down to the 200. Now, obviously, it's not going to be a straight line. You're going to have bounces. Probably you can get multiple bounces, Caesar. You can get a bounce from here, then a dump, then another bounce and another dump. Then you're going to have some kind of a bottom, you know, and then you're going to rally probably, you know. Again, my 2 cents. So yeah, you can get a bounces, but I tell you, man, we are now moving into a very bearish market environment for the entire speculative markets, like call them. So this put crypto, you know, let's say now crypto is in the ocean surrounded by sharks, even without the stock market bearishness and the metals and everything. So now the entire ocean,
killer whales.
You have huge, killer whales and dinosaurs that eat sharks for like you know, like you know, when you eat the oysters, you know, when you when you lick the oil, that's what people just don't understand. Joe, people don't think like us, you know. It's just like, you know, a guy go to you know, to a doctor, you know, hey man, I feel tired, I'm 50, I lost all my balls, I cannot fuck my wife, and he want to do like testosterone, replacement, whatever.
Yeah.
And he need help. So he don't know nothing about how to enhance his, testosterone or whatever, or
Level, yeah.
biomarkers. Same stuff, man. People in trading, they need to come to us. We are the doctors, okay? Because they have no idea where they're going, now. They have no idea.
100%. Look, and you know what, CM, people are not appreciating? The thing, CM, is that since 2010, the markets have been going basically up. People are conditioned that if they will hold something, then that will be the answer for their dreams, right? That's why hodling got such a lot of love, such a lot of love. But the reality is that what happened yesterday doesn't necessarily happen tomorrow. The contrary, all right? Actually, if you are long enough in trading and investing, the environments change completely, all right? People don't appreciate what we're going on through. This is a changing world order. Trump is about to, get out of, the UN. He's creating his own UN. Things are changing drastically, which means everything that we got accustomed to might change. Even the up-only market, we can get into serious trouble, in the market turbulences, and people don't appreciate it. And these people, for example, Casper hodlers, man, and I don't get these people, man, are gonna get smashed. All right, they have been getting smashed. We've been telling them since here. This is where we told them the first lower low. We told them, hey, things are getting bad for Caspa, and we are getting hate all through the down. The PP man, your PP dude, was peeing all down, and we were getting all this hate, and it's still going down. CM, it's still going down. I remember people telling us it will never go below the 5 cents. Yes, it's going down more because hodling is not a solution. All right, hodling is just laziness. All right, it's just laziness, and this can go down more and more and more until people just can't take it, and then they capitulate. And that's where you and I are going to go long again. When people are starting to capitulate, that's our signal to start looking for longs again, just like we have over and over. And you know what, CM? Even people that have went through cycles before that still don't know this. They still do the same mistakes over and over again and again and again, right? That's why we invite people to come and join if they want. Beautiful. Look at this. CM, you're the best. You saved me thousands of dollars since started following this channel. I was late, lost a lot of money, but never too late. Also, you changed my mindset in crypto. I used to be a hodler. James is a smart person because he understood that we are here to teach. We are here to tell people, right, how things really happen in the crypto market, as all the other crap channels, CM, that are perpetually bullish at all times, as if things are going to go to heaven. Price is just going to go to heaven and never going down ever again. So many people got scammed. James is a smart person, CM. What do you think about that?
Yeah, man. Shout out to James. Thank you, James, man. And yeah, man. If you're in the VIP, cool. If you're not in the VIP, you should, man. Because if I saved you tons of USDs on the on the YouTube, we can help you multiply, man, the account via shorting and all and longing on the right time, obviously. But man, we're doing amazing stuff on our service. Really, this is brilliant. Consider joining, man. It's not expensive, and it will change you. If you can join Elite VIP, you can join regular VIP. It doesn't matter. Up to you, man. And if you have 5 figures account and high 5 figures, definitely consider Elite VIP. If you're just a little shrimp, go to the regular VIP.
Yeah. Look, Leo over here is saying, when will the market recover? And look, Leo, and I'm telling this to everyone, see, you can confirm my thoughts or not. This is not the correct question to be asking yourself. Why does it matter when will the market recover? A, No one knows the answer. No one knows and can predict the future. When will it recover? We don't know. No one knows. Anyone tells you that he knows something in the future is full of bollocks. All right. He doesn't know. That's first thing. Second thing, what does it matter? Will it help you with your execution to understand it? No, because it can be many months ahead of now and you'll be sitting down waiting for market to recover instead of actually doing execution, which you can do. You can be executing right now. As CM and I said, and again, CM, he posts all the time on his Twitter, results of shorts that we have been doing. CM, maybe you want to share some of those that happened lately on your Twitter. And by the way, guys, if you want to give us a follow on our X, not Twitter it's anymore, it's our X. Go and check that out on the Crypto Mindset 4 and the No Wedge No Trade. Give us a like over there because we share more content, more teachable things for you over there. Are you going to share it, CM, or moving forward?
Yeah. I'll show them some stuff, and we have another question here. Well, look, this is my Bitunix. By the way, if you don't have Bitunix, get yourself Bitunix account. All my shorts are printed. You can see Ethereum short, up almost 5K, Link in total to 5K. Pendle, I just started a short yesterday, so it's still cooking. M as well, I started recently, but it's doing pretty nice, all up 1K. SPX up almost 5K on this snake. Caspa up to 5K. H up 1K plus 4K. OG up 2K, whatever. I have more shorts on Nexi. Really, I'm gonna drop the link on Bitunix. Do yourself a favor, guys. Really, I dropped the link on the chat. Open an account ASAP because you want to open an account over there. Because we actually they're doing a giveaway every week. They give 1,000 USDT bonus to a person that subscribed through my link. So really, just get an account if you trade from US, Canada, Australia, and also consider come short with us. We short mainly on Bitunix on the trading service. And yeah, follow us on X. We have another thing here. We have another question here. I saw. Give me a second just to stop the share screen. Yeah. Where is this baby?
From this one.
Yeah. Any hope? No. This guy. Any hope for long-term holders, or just watch your profile burn to the ground? Man, the only hope for long-term holders I can see is just stop everything you have. Again, if you have 20,000 plus, join our Elite VIP, book a call with us now. This is not something that we can tell you in one sentence. This is a serious conversation we have to make with you and really understand what's your situation, where you coming from, what's your objectives, what do you want to achieve, how much time you have to allocate, for trading and investing. And yeah, because long-term holder now, there is no hope, man. Because the trend flipped mega bearish already since October, and right now it's about to flip extremely bearish. Extremely, there is a risk of a mega crash and black swans, and you don't want to hold, man. If you're holding now, you are taking insane amounts of risks. Really, if you have 10,000, 30,000, 100,000, it doesn't matter. Join Elite VIP. If you want to pay with crypto, send me an email on cryptomindset.4. Get the Elite VIP. Book a call with us. We're going to take you hand in hand, and we're going to show you exactly how you can save yourself first and have a plan, and also find a strategy for profiting, because the bear market just started, man. Okay, it's almost 100% probability, man. There is never 100%, but let's say there is 90% probability that things are gonna get worse and worse and worse and worse, minimum for the next 9 months. If you look on the history, since Bitcoin topped, every bear market, it goes 12 months from top to bottom down. And this is Bitcoin. Now, you're probably holding altcoins. Altcoins going down from the Bitcoin top, or actually altcoins start going down 1 year before Bitcoin top.
March 2024.
Yes, they go down from there and they continue going down after Bitcoin bottoming, So the amount of pain, okay, that you can save yourself from is unlimited. But you need to know what you're doing. You need to save yourself first, because just by holding and praying, no one will help you, man. No one will help you. You're gonna get cooked. I'm telling you, you're gonna get yourself cooked. Do yourself a favor. Join VIP. If you're broke, join VIP. If you are okay, join Elite VIP and book a call with us, man. We're gonna help you. Holding will not help you, man.
Most definitely, I agree.
The only thing you want to hold, Jomo, in a bear market is a short. Okay, I'm holding the Bitcoin short now, and I'm holding like shorts or SPX short. I'm holding it like for like 2 weeks ago. In the last quarter of 2025, I was holding a Pluma short for like 2 weeks, 2 months. I was holding short. You need to know what to hold and when to hold them. You cannot just come into the markets, and just gamble your way and pray for Jesus to, what? This is not going to end well, man.
You need to have an edge, man. You need to have an edge. You need to know how to play the game. If you don't know how to play the game, and the game shifts in different environments, man. If you ride a Formula F1, and you have rain all around and you have, storms and stuff, you won't be driving the same way you're driving a sunny day, right? You will need more risk management on your driving. You will need to understand different things. That's what we do over here, man. That's what we do. So Michael is asking a plan of joining, guys, just trying to get liquidity from shorting. Instead of trying to do that, join. So we will lead you in order to the right shorts. So then you can get add liquidity. Because if you do it on your own, most probability is that you're actually going to lose with the shorting, because your execution probably isn't really good. That's what happens to most people, and they get to us after they were losing money. And that's what we were trying to prevent. So join before you lose. Mr. Maher is saying, good evening, legends. Good to see you, Jomo and CM. The Alchemist, he knows what he's saying, the Alchemist. Life is too short. Definitely knows what he's saying, man. What do you have here? CM, we have Mr. Blair asking, where do you think ZBCN will go to? What do you think? You want to cover it?
Let me look on ZBCN. Okay, it's part of the favorite coins here. Okay, let's look on ZBCN. Man, ZBCN is a dead man. Okay, dead. Okay, it's now dropping now below this level here. Okay, and it's dropping, below this level here, and it's still down under the downward trend, which is dominating, and it's lost the 50-week MA. If you go on the daily chart, it just had a bearish retest of the 200-day, which we told you guys it's doing a bearish retest, and that's bearish. You can see the tests of this trend line, bam, bam, bam. And people really think holding will save them. No. Holding will not save you. This downward trend, as long as you below it, it is going down, and it's going probably to test the lows, man, very, very soon, in my opinion. Can happen in February. It can go there in February. What is the drop? Let's see. Oh, 70%. Can happen. Again, not necessarily go all the way down, but can go test the lows, man, in the next couple of months. And then, probably going to get a bounce, and then maybe a bigger bounce. And later you have a risk of continuing lower, man, to new lows.
I can see that happening. Definitely can see that happening, man. ZBCN. But people, what are they going to say? They're going to say, but ZBCN has partnered with Visa. They partner with NBA. They partner with the King Solomon. Where is the price? Where is price action? People, they don't understand. What infuriates me the most, all right, and I don't get infuriated really easy, all right, is when people that don't understand, never have been consistent, are perpetual losers in the market. They look at charts and they say, oh, this doesn't mean anything. Ooh, it's all about reading the white paper, right? CM, show us do you have the white paper, or you don't? You don't have the white paper next to you. You have it? Yeah, there you go. That's the white paper for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't read the white papers, because you can only wipe your choo-choo with the white paper. The reality, this is the reality. Price action and charts show you all the decisions that are made by market participants, insiders, hodlers, traders, institutions, retail. Everyone is in the price action. If the price of ZBCN is going down for months, it means something. It doesn't matter the stories that they're trying to give you. Doesn't matter. Stories are just stories. Price action is the truth and the reality of what's happening. Don't be blind. Mr. John Joven, CM, your lifetime VIP.
Yeah, man. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Thank you very much, John. Yeah, we know. Maybe, hopefully, YouTube we get more views on YouTube and new subs. But the way it's looking, man, YouTube don't like people that are right and bearish. People don't like it. YouTube like only people that are dumb as fuck, wrong all the time, and bullish all the time. That's what YouTube like. Well, we're gonna keep doing what we're doing, and we're gonna wait for the next bull market to be bullish again.
Exactly. Damn straight.
Jay Rumi, I never said holding 1 million ZBCN.
No, Rumi is the troll that always told me that I'm buying Caspa secretly. Remember, but this is the troll.
Yeah, stop with the nonsense. Some people really will think you are telling truths here, which is absolute dog shit. The next time I'm gonna have to shush you, man, and you will not be able to comment at all. I never hold coins. I'm against holding coins. For me, all coins are a bunch of scams ready to be shorted. It is the last time, I'm telling you, you call me a hodler, okay? This is the last warning, man. The next time, man, Jomo, this is the worst insult I can get from a person in the world. Really, call me a hodler? Oof. Are you out, man? If you were next to me, I will hook you. I will hook you so hard that you will fly to the nearest wall and die on the spot, like from one hook shot. Don't F with me, man, especially not live. Don't F with me.
That's funny, man.
We'd love to see B wave bounce and then final C down.
Yeah, Bitcoin is made in Bitcoin, yeah.
Yeah, I think the B wave up was just completed. I'm not sure. But I don't know, man. I'm just I'm just speculating. The B already done, man. What B, man? The only B that is coming now are the army of bees from the stock market that are being, and then on Monday, on next week, they're gonna start pooping on the crypto market.
Oh yeah. Most definitely, man. Most definitely. We're getting some unrelated questions.
Guys, by the way, if you have any question, drop it now. I gotta bounce soon, man. It's Sunday. I have some plans, man. Life is good in the bear market, man. I love bear markets. I work less and I profit more, and I have less stress. All my members are happy. They're not asking me a stupid question every day. Oh, what do you think about this coin? Oh, what do you think about? Oh, I heard this coin is so bullish. The project is so bullish. F all these projects. That's why I love bear markets. They all listening to me like I'm the Messiah, man, and they are just following, happy, and printing. No question asked. Just execution, trading, bam, and swing trading, easy swing trade. Man, I love bear market. I actually hate crypto bull market. I love crypto bear market because the sell-offs are so juicy, man. Woo-hoo. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, man, most definitely. Cesar, I am in favor of Argentina, if that helps you.
World Cup?
Yeah, World Cup, man. What's your favorite team for the World Cup? It's happening in June, like in 4 months.
Wow, yeah. The World Cup is always happening on the Bitcoin bear market
Yeah,
year.
it's the 4-year
So amazing.
cycle.
It's so amazing. I love it. I effing love it, man.
Yeah, you can watch it tranquilo, nothing happens, man.
Where is it now? Is it on the US? No, it's in
It's
the
in the
US and
US,
Mexico.
Mexico, and Canada, man.
Wow, man. Might bounce to Mexico to,
To watch it.
to have some funny with some Latina birds, Uh,
You should.
okay,
You
guys.
should.
Thank you guys for watching. Leave us a like, subscribe, follow us on X. Really, join our. Really, if you're serious about trading, if you want to understand trading fast, you want our one-on-one coaching tier, our phone calls, the elite trades, the elite VIP trades, the best of the best, the creme de la creme. You want the best for yourself, man, and you deserve it. Take the elite VIP with the link, scan the QR code, man. Join Elite VIP, stop wasting time. Also, if you can pay with crypto, no biggie. Just drop us an email on the email round below, cryptominds@00
They can use the coupon
gmail.com.
code also.
Yep, and join us, man. Join us. Don't waste time, man. The best time to short is in a bear market. In a bear market, you can make ROI in a bear market. Don't listen to the moon boys that get wrecked. Let them get wrecked alone while you profiting on the way down. Anything to add?
That's it, CM. We'll see you guys in the next